target one area where you say this has been a huge disappointment and at the same time a huge surprise for this team, it would have to be what they've looked like defensively. I think if you talk to opposing team scouts and talent evaluators at the end of spring
minutes, and your protection starts immediately. Visit LifeLock.com now and use promo code AWARE or call and mention AWARE to save 10% on your membership. Call.
B&B Home Care гарантирует, у нас все на порядок выше. Благонадежность, независимость, взаимопонимание. 718.
We're impressed with the upgrades the Yankees made and what they would look like defensively, and that's been a train wreck to this point. And I think the most disconcerting one is
a child, for instance, traveling, and then it turns out that some guy fondles and molests.
Right.
There have been adult men that have also fondled females as well.
Yep.
So again, don't be as trusting.
Because Laura is. Well, we don't know where she is. Do you know where she is, Ashley?
I don't. You know, last time I was here, you said I had it buried in my basement.
What people bought online was enormously predictive of how healthy they were. And
¿Se lo imagina? Maestro Raúl Rosero.
The Good Humor truck is going trendy to try to attract the younger set. The Post says sellers in Nassau County are trading in their all-white outfits for skinny jeans and getting rid of that iconic jingle in favor of music from Beyonce and Taylor Swift. They're also tricking out their trucks with
jar guarantee. Use the whole jar. If you're not happy, you can get your money back. But I doubt you'll send it back. This stuff really works. And now look for Australian Dream Back Pain Cream. Australian Dream is available at retailers everywhere, including Target, Rite Aid, Walmart.
$28 you legendary power and performance.
Dos hombres se verán enfrentada por la pasión de una mujer. Humberto Zurita, Ana Favela y Rodrigo Guirao protagonizan Tierra.
Just about geeks and games. And in June, industry leaders meet at the Bloomberg Technology Conference to explore how coding culture impacts every aspect of business today. Featuring exclusive sessions with Twitter's Dick Costello, Parks and Recreation.
Yeah, because you help so many.
Do good. Mentor a child. Call the children. That's at 1-877 be a mentor. That's it.
At 489 Old Hook Road in Emerson, again in Bergen County, right across the Hudson River. Hurricane done and continues to. We thank her for her service and congratulations. Corporal Angelica.
Second half of 2015. Thank you for staying with us, Senator Latimer. Happy to.
But there will be other men that will come into your life to help you. And
Dame un café de cualquier tamaño por solo $1 y acompáñalo de un Services Committee has been located and David.
Yo creo que las APP.
Washington. The National Memorial Day concerts. And a few blocks away, thought it was fireworks. A pressure cooker found and destroyed inside a parked car. Plus, not as many formula freebies at the hospital these days. Seems more hospitals are acting on the American Academy of Pediatrics recommendation that breast.
You take up weight, and it's very costly to, pull the.
They don't want to talk to Todd?
But, yeah, I think it was premature, certainly, having the whole, well, who's the best young pitcher? To this point, I think the,